Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get your Discord token on iOS. First, it's crucial to understand that your Discord token is a sensitive piece of information, essentially a digital key to your account. Sharing it can lead to serious security risks, including unauthorized access. Discord's terms of service also explicitly prohibit methods of extracting this token, so proceed with extreme caution and awareness of the potential consequences. People often seek Discord tokens for various reasons, primarily for developing bots or automating certain tasks. However, it's important to distinguish between using the official Discord API for bot development and attempting to extract your personal user token. The latter is often associated with self-botting, which violates Discord's terms and can result in your account being banned. Always prioritize official methods. Extracting a Discord token directly from the iOS app is particularly challenging due to Apple's robust security architecture. Unlike some other platforms, iOS heavily restricts app data access, making direct token retrieval nearly impossible without significant modifications to your device. Methods often involve jailbreaking your iPhone or using complex network sniffing tools, both of which introduce substantial security vulnerabilities. Instead of trying to extract your user token, consider using Discord's official API for any bot development. This is the secure and intended way to interact programmatically with Discord. Always prioritize your account security by never sharing your login details or any sensitive information. Remember, for more great deals and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, look for the link in the description below. Stay safe online.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.